Hello, so we are here in School of Ancient Wisdom, and we are doing an in-person astrology event. And this is not a teaching event, but this is actually a client-based event.
Hi everyone, this is Kalyan.
Hi everyone, this is Nagendra.
This is Lasha.
Yeah, hi everyone. Myself Senthil. This is Moganapriya, my wife. He is Dakshit, my son, 9 years old. He is currently studying 3rd grade. She is Sahana, my daughter.
And this is a Self Alchemy event. So this we started in 2023. That was our first event.
I attended the Self Alchemy program conducted by Muthu sir, Karthik sir and Ashwin sir.
Most likely reasons for people to kind of come and visit an astrologer is the 4 pillars, which is family, finance, health and career. And this time we are dealing with relationships, and in the previous occasion we dealt with career.
So this program has given me the insight to truly identify myself and how to align myself with the relationship.
So in a relationship, as we keep the distance, we have more conflict. So as the distance reduce, we reduce the conflict also.
So we were doing a lot of client work through Google Meet, Zoom, where we talk to people regarding their career, finance, relationship, everything. But we wanted to do some deep work with them, sit with them, do one-on-one consultation, not only like a pure astrological consultation, but it's combined with astrology and psychology together.
We wanted to look at psychology, astrology, life coaching. So when a person comes out of their comfort zone into a more comfortable zone, here in this case, they go into a more isolated space within themselves.
After coming here, I came to know a lot about me.
And when they are in that space, in a serene environment, away from their regular course of action, they get into the more deeper, intricate way of how to manage a certain area of life that may be challenging.
It's very nice actually, a good environment. It's a good place.
This place is very nice and very peaceful.
And the place is very nice. The place is very scenic and more connected to nature.
Before I attended this program, right, so I did not have an idea. So now I have felt some transformation in this.
So I really like the stories shared in the program and the activities we performed throughout the program.
Actually, this is a nice program. I liked it. They have some of the activities which really helps everyone.
So first of all, I felt after the program I'm able to feel that I'm able to introspect into myself and identify who am I. So that was the key takeaway from the 2-day residential program.
After attending this program, right, I got to know that there is some framework in this place.
For relationship details and for her knowing the horoscope, we came here.
It's not like a tradition astrology which we are looking, do pujas, do something. It's like an understand your chart, go according psychologically with today's life.
I played with A4 sheet, I draw, I played music chair, and I see insects, I see big trees, I'm happy, I see fishes and all.
So another interesting feature about the program is, apart from the activities and the motivational talks and lessons, we also get a personalized suggestions based on our horoscope.
The session went for 2 days, and the first day activities, core activities, where are the problems, what are the minute things, and then we had a chart analysis. Second day also some activities. How we can adjust each other, like how do I
Find a common
ground. That's the whole idea.
So that also really helped to utilize the program to the fullest. So I will definitely recommend this program for others who really want to make their relationship grow better, or who are trying to get into a marriage relationship.
Thanks to the team.
It was a very nice experience. I felt I really welcome you all to enjoy this program in the upcoming years, and you utilize it to the fullest. Thank you.